Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. Have you ever wondered how those fiery red chili flakes find their way into your kitchen? Come, let us embark on a journey to Turkey, the land of sun-kissed beaches and fearing chilies. These are not just any chilies, but the finest, plumpest red devils that'll dance on your tongue and set your taste buds burning. They add spice and depth, transforming ordinary dishes into culinary masterpieces. Now, let's head to the fields, where hundreds of skilled farmers meticulously hand-pick each chili at its peak ripeness. These experienced individuals carefully monitor the color, size, and overall appearance of the chilies to determine their ripeness before initiating the hand-picking process. Selecting ripe peppers ensures the best taste, spiciness, color, and texture, leading to a higher quality product with an extended shelf life. It's a labor-intensive process, requiring delicate handling to preserve the precious peppers. This dedication ensures the highest quality harvest, year after year. The ideal time for the harvest is late summer or early autumn, between July and September, when the chilies are bursting with ripe flavor, just the right amount of heat, and a vibrant color.
Yağışa göre kendimizi ayarlarız. İkinci, üçüncü ayda biberlerimizi ekeriz. Dördüncü ayların sonlarında, beşinci ayın başlarında çapalama dediğimiz o alma, biberdeki, tohumdaki tekleme işlerimiz başlar bu süreçte. Ondan sonra gübreleme işlerimiz, işçiliğimiz başlar. Bu 8. aya kadar bu şekilde devam eder. 8. ayda da biberlerimiz, işçilerimiz gelir tekrar, toplama işçilerimiz.
Once harvested, the red chili peppers start their drying journey. Spread out on vast open-air lands, they bask in the golden rays of the sun for days, slowly transforming under the watchful eyes of experienced farmers. And now, it's the time for workers to come into action. The chili peppers are laid out flat and spread out evenly. This is because if the chili peppers are crowded together, they will not dry evenly. The peppers are also regularly turned to ensure they dry evenly on all sides. The peppers will take several days or even weeks to dry completely. The drying time will depend on the weather conditions, the thickness of the peppers, and the desired level of dryness. This age-old method reduces moisture content, intensifies flavors, and prepares them for further processing, enhancing their taste and preserving quality. As the dried peppers move into the factory, a comprehensive process unfolds. Cleaning and sorting are initial steps to eliminating impurities. The remaining seeds and stems are further removed mechanically. Advanced machines come into play, streamlining the production line. The sorted peppers are then stocked, prepared for the next phase of transformation into the beloved red chili flakes. The dried peppers are then processed through grinding machines or mills. A roller mill consists of two counter-rotating rollers that press against each other, compressing and flattening the dried chili peppers into flakes. This step determines the texture and size of the final product. The size of the flakes is determined by the speed of the grinding elements and the gap between them. The amount of chili peppers fed into the machine depends on the desired output rate. The milled chili particles are often passed through sieves or sifters to achieve uniformity in the flake size and remove any unwanted particles. Quality control measures are implemented throughout the process to check for consistency, flavor, and adherence to product standards. This may involve manual inspections and the use of technology.
Talebe göre imalat yapıyoruz. Dünyanın her yerine, ama dünyanın her yerine, İngiltere'ye, Avrupa ülkelerine ciddi ihracatçı firmalarımıza tedarikçilik yapıyoruz.
Once the red chili flakes reach the desired consistency, they are carefully packaged. Packaging is a crucial step in maintaining the freshness, flavor, and spiciness of the flakes. The packaging process also ensures that the flakes are stored in airtight containers to prevent moisture and flavor degradation. Packaged red chili flakes are labeled with relevant information and prepared for distribution. This includes batch numbers, expiration dates, and any necessary product details. The finalized red chili flakes are stored under optimal conditions to uphold quality before being sent to retailers or consumers. Global red chili pepper production is robust, with major annual harvests. Top producers, excluding Turkey, such as India and China, dominate, while various countries partake in active imports, shaping a dynamic market. And there you have it, a glimpse into the intricate process of hand harvesting millions of red chili peppers in Turkey, from the fields to your favorite dishes. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.